Not even looking. B-dubs B-Day lock, baby. B-dubs B-Day lock. B-dubs, give us a prediction. What do you think? Like 1,400? Like 1,400 probably? Alright. All ones. Oh. All ones, but one single two. Yeah, probably 1,400. Probably 1,400. Probably 1,400. Yeah. I agree. Vaginas. Everybody that has a vagina, you want to... This is a point where you want to get it out. If you have a bifkin, you want to get that out right now as well. Vagina or bifkin, you want to release it from the pantry and let it hang out. Here we go. Dog houses, baby. Dog houses, baby. Come on, keep them coming. Give it to us in 3 as well here. Middle of 3. Okay. Middle of 3, please. 3. Oh! Oh, we might have that B-Dub's birthday lock going on right now. How many spins we got left? Like 6? Oh, damn. If we can land Rufus, this is looking like absolute Prince City right here. We got that B-Dub's lock happening. Oh, damn. We got that B-Dub's lock happening. Oh, God, do I ever just love it. Oh, Doghouse is my bae, too. B-Dubs, I'm with you. I love Doghouse. Come on, Rufus. Give us more Doghouses, please. What do we, 4 more spins? Oh, my God, more Doghouses. Anywhere at all. Literally anywhere. Middle 3 is literally the best spot we could get a Doghouse right now. The middle of 3 is the absolute best spot. Middle of 3. Dead center of the board is where we want one. A 3x dead center of the board, and we are absolutely printing. Middle of 3, right there. Middle of 3, right there. Middle of 3. Oh my God, we do get another Doghouse too. Oh my God, middle, anywhere in 3 right now is massive. Anywhere in 3 is a massive, guys. Anywhere in 3 right now. We need a Rufus in 1. Literally Rufus anywhere in 1. Anywhere in 1 is we print. We need Blue Dog in 1. Big ol' Rufus. Big ol' Rufus. What do we got? 2 spins or 3 left? 2? Rufus in 1. Rufus in 1. Okay. Oh, baby doll. Just keep going. Just keep going. 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Like and subscribe button. 20 likes, 20 comments on a video, we add money to the giveaway. Get in there, baby. My nose is itchy. Get in there, baby. My nose is itchy. Oh my God, I love Doghouse. Please give us 1 Rufus in the last 2 spins. Or a middle Doghouse. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Okay. That wasn't as good. Although we do get a full 5 row of 10s, which is pretty good. 10s is the lowest symbol, though. She's printing. Man, Rufus on the last spin. 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 Come on, Rufus. Rufus. Oh! That's over 100x right there, right? Straight up juice. Straight up juice. That B-Dub's luck. Like and subscribe, baby. Hit those buttons! Oh, that B-Dub's luck. What a call. Oh, Rufus, you're beautiful. Who's a good boy? Who's a good Rufus? Oh, you're a good dog. Oh, baby. Little, just shy of 500x. God, I love Doghouse. Come on, baby. How can you not just love Doghouse? Honestly. Sheesh. What a call. What a call by B-dubs.